And welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing about Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins. Today is the day FOMC meeting, what Jerome Powell is going to say and how it could be affecting crypto, where I'm going to buy or where I'm going to sell. I'm going to tell you all of that, so stay with me until the end of the video. Subscribe, hit the like button. We post one video about crypto trading every single day. Guys, yesterday Bitcoin was around $84,000, then it dropped to roughly 81,000. And in my VIP group, of course, we already knew what was about to happen. So basically, we notified all the members. You can see in Bitcoin analysis here, 81, 82K, area of interest for a long or a short. Bitcoin went to 81,200. Some people, of course, went long at the precise moment. You can see, of course, the results, guys. We also went long on Solana as well, making good money. Our trading results, guys, talk for themselves as always. Yesterday as well, we were calling for a long ADA. We didn't feel it by like very little, but say we feel the order here. And I want to show you the chart because this is completely insane. The precision, look at that, totally crazy. Everything documented, guys. As you can see, 11 out of 11 trades in the last past 10 days. We are making a killing. Guys, if you want education, trading calls, trading analysis, Bitcoin, altcoin season, anything you can think of, VIP group is the way to go. There is a little trailer description in the link below. Just click on the link in bio on this YouTube channel. Check our trailer as well as our trading results, guys. We have been making a killing. But now let's go back into BTC and let's see where we are right now. As I said before, today is going to be a very important day. We don't know what is about to happen. We don't know. So if I can tell you right now, I'm going to tell you right now, oh yeah, but they're going to do this, they're going to do that. We don't know. I personally think the Federal Reserve is not going to cut interest rates, but at the same time, they might say that the economy is still okay, there is no risk for a recession, they're probably going to consider to cut rates and blah, blah, blah. And that should be helpful in propelling Bitcoin a little bit higher. But what is going to be our, I would say, most important thing that we need to see in order for BTC to go higher is going to be the following. Can you see it from here? That we are basically into a descending triangle. Now we're trying to go and climb back up higher. What we need to be able to do is to have a daily candle, okay? A daily candle, like a yellow, I go yellow, not green, but a yellow daily candle above this area. I'm going to go and cancel so you can see well. Once you're going to see a yellow candle closing above here, then I'm going to have much more confirmation that we should be seeing the price to go higher, at least to $91,000. And at that point, of course, you have to be very careful because it's going to be a important level, like an important retest. And if this one fails, this could be happening. We could see something like that. A push up here, trap longers, people going long, and then it's going to have another drop. And then finally, is going to start our climb to the upside. But that's what I can see right now. I can even show you a little bit better short term. Need to find the right chart from here. So if I'm going to go short term from here, you can see that right now we are forming a potential bear flag or like a ABCD pattern. You can see that Bitcoin right now has formed like a drop down to here, is now doing this right now. You can see that, right? So we have a 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart coming in this area. And what could be happening could be if we're going to be able to sustain this level, we're not going to drop below and close below $81,000. Then what I could be seeing could be a push up to here. And then, of course, we have to wait and see, because from that point, we could be seeing another drop to complete this potential bear flag down to 72,000, 73,000 could definitely be on the cards. Or if you're going to be able to break this area, forcefully break it, then I can see more continuation to maybe $91,000 to $92,000. That's what I can see right now for BTC. Also very important, as I always said, we had green, still negative delta coming up. There is a little bit of positive, which is actually good. You can see from this area, positive delta. But to have a proper confirmation, you want to see strength coming into the charts. The weekly chart, if somebody asks me, do you see right now a macro reversal? No, I don't see a bloody macro reversal. I can see only the price to go down. Green candle, red delta, green candle. Still doesn't give me the confirmation. Once I'm gonna have a great confirmation, I'm gonna show you when I'm gonna go long, so you can know as well. But of course, guys, in the VIP we discuss this like every single day, giving like trading calls and also direction. So that's when I'm gonna go long. That's when it's gonna be like, oh wow, this is the like a proper trend reversal. Is gonna be once if we're gonna be able to go and close, as I said before, above probably 86,000, then I can see us to go to 90, 91,000. That could be a good long opportunity. Otherwise, even better if you're gonna be able to break 92K, close above it, because then what I can see could be something like that to continue to go higher, perhaps to the golden pocket area of Fibonacci between 97,000 to $100,000. That's going to be my entry area. What is going to be another entry area? Very simple. You can then converge these points here, put them down to this area. You can also point like another one down to this area here. And I will say that's another good point of convergence is going to be around here, around $73,000 to $74,000. If you're going to go and drop around that area, I'm probably going to be a buyer, even here, like a heavy buyer, because what I could be expecting from here in the nearby future is going to be either something like this or something like this. That's what I can see right now. Is the FOMC is going to be the trigger for that? We need to see. Also, guys, the reason why we are now suffering a little bit with crypto and with stocks as well is also in relation to this thing over here. Gold. Gold is basically taking all the money, sucking all the money away from the stock market as well as from crypto. And as long as gold is going to continue to go higher, crypto and stocks are going to suffer a lot. But you can see right now, gold is right now into a very like confirmed bearish divergence. I can see that, yeah, we could be pushing up like a little bit more, maybe to, I don't know, 3,000, 100, 3,000, whatever. But eventually it will have to correct and maybe to go down a little bit again. So sometimes also what I noticed in the past is that gold in general leads BTC. You can see gold moving up like there is no tomorrow, and then BTC basically does the same thing. Like a great example was here. You can see like in 2024. Gold started to push up like crazy from the 24th of June, and then Bitcoin started to go up around September. So sometimes you have like a 2 or 3 months lag. And right now we are basically seeing gold, to continue to push higher. So I guess we have to see now, once we're going to have a correction from here, what is going to be happening with BTC. Last time gold went down, BTC went to $100,000. The next correction, I guess we have to wait and see. Talked already about Solana as well. Solana, that's what I can see. I think I told you even yesterday, a little bit of maybe more downturn, maybe down to $100, $110. But again, I'm really expecting Solana as well to go and retest this area. Maybe it's what I can show you as well. Sometimes, works very well to invert a chart and show you from like, inverted point of view. So you can tell me what you see from here. And you can see it right now. I can go on the weekly chart and show you what happens with Solana. Some people are telling me Solana is dead, is gone, is the end of it, and blah, blah, blah. But to be honest, I don't think so. And looking at this, theoretically, if I see a chart placed in this level with a 200 weeks moving average coming to this point here, I must assume that what we should be seeing from here is going to be the following. So you can see we have this one here, like that. We could be seeing Solana potentially going up to 101,000 and then to continue to go down. That could definitely be a possibility. I guess we have to keep our mind open to the fact that still, from a macro point of view, Solana is into like a with an inverted chart into a downtrend, and we should be seeing like more to go higher. Also, we can see on the daily chart as well, still like opening our inverted chart, that we basically broke the important level here. So we were going down, and then we broke this very important level you can see here. And what we could be seeing before proceeding higher with Solana, so losing value, it could be at least something like that, to maybe go down to this area, retest the previous breakout around 185, 189, 190, and then to continue to go higher if you want to. So that could be a good opportunity to say, what are we going to do? Are we going to sell a little bit? I'm going to buy. But at the moment, again, I'm expecting maybe I'm going to go into the normal chart again with Solana. Maybe we're going to see another drop down to like to 100. But after that, I'm really expecting at least us to pump around 190 to 100, probably even more. Many bearish divergence in place here, so it makes me quite confident. Next one, guys, very important. Look at this. This is like one of my creation, one of my analysis. I don't know if I did it also yesterday, but you can see the US 10-year Treasury yield. In general, whenever this metric, whenever this one goes down, risk assets tend to go higher. And right now, the US 10Y has been pointing downwards. You can see there's a clear formation of a bear flag, and also there is a potential head and shoulder in place. So if this is going to happen, you could be seeing that whenever this is going to go down to the 3.7, 3.8%, risk assets should really perform very, very well when it comes to this point. Once you're going to get there, then we have to analyze where we are, what's going on, what are we going to do, where is Bitcoin, where is altcoins, and then we decide what to do as well. The DXY, guys, DXY maybe is going to have a little bit of a pullback up to here, but is in a clear downtrend. And as I told you before, again, whenever this one goes down, it's very good for crypto. So how low is going to go to 198? That's what I'm expecting right now. And this is going to continue to go down. It's going to be very good for crypto because looks like that crypto at the moment is actually lagging. Also, guys, this is the total free market cap, altcoin season, talking about altcoins, what's happening right now with alts. I mean, again, we are retesting just this previous high, which was in 2024. Are we going to continue to go higher? Perhaps that's what it looks like, but we need to be careful again because we broke an important level of support here, and then we could be seeing maybe like a push up to here, another drop, and then finally the final leg to the upside. This is going to happen. That's what I can think of. Next one I want to show you as well, very important, is the S&P 500. Something like I want to really notify you, just could be a little bit tricky right now, is the fact that the S&P 500 is going down. Okay, so you had a nasty rejection yesterday. You can see that we touched the 200 day moving average. So the question I'm asking myself right now is if it's going to go and continue to go down like that and form like a potential bullish divergence on the RSI, or is this the initiation of let's say like a first leg to the upside? So maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, kind of like a corrective wave that could definitely be possible, like even like A, B, C, going back to here, another drop, and then finally the start of the proper bull run. But right now, guys, as I said before, looking at the liquidity heat map, at the volume footprint, there is still lots of negative delta. I still can see lots of strength into the market, and we need that to continue to go higher. Last two pieces of things I want to show you as well, very important, is number one, people are asking me about Ethereum, ETH. This is, guys, is the order book heat map. To see how many orders, buying orders, selling orders. This actually is making me quite bullish about ETH because, of course, we have down here 1,500, 1,700, like so many block of orders in this area. But then I see from this point here, there is like a crazy amount, like 2,200. I saw before even like, 6,000, but many, many orders coming here, $6,000 and $4,000, right? So I wouldn't be surprised if ETH is going to be able to go and revisit the $4,000 levels. So again, are these orders placed there to like as a like spoofing to make people believe we're going to go higher, or are they actually there because people want to sell that Ethereum? And also, guys, the Bitcoin liquidation heat map as well. You can see clearly that we have a defined level right now. So as I said before, if we're going to drop, could be around $73,000 to $75,000. Big buying opportunity, in my opinion, because you're not going to have any more liquidation down to here, but then you have lots of liquidation up to like $90,000. So my theory looking at this is going to be that we should be seeing, maybe depending on what Jerome Powell is going to say, but maybe a drop like that and then up like that, or directly down to here. Then from this point here, we need to understand if we're going to continue to go higher. So I'm saying, guys, come on the VIP, or are we going to see another drop here and then finally the move to the upside? But regardless, still bullish, still I don't believe is the end of this of the bull markets. I think maybe we probably have one more leg to go to the upside. But of course, once you're going to go back to 95,000, I'm going to reassess where we are and what we're going to do. But otherwise, guys, good luck for today, tonight for myself in Australia. But I really wish you a great day. And also don't forget, guys, VIP group, link in the description. Come and join us and learn how to navigate the crypto market properly. Take care, and I'm going to see you soon.